Okay, put your candle. No playing here. Punta na.
Oh, look! I get that fire!
Kuya, no. You have to, yes, like that one. Here pa, Saki. Sandro.
Why?
Wait, Saki, wait. Okay.
Oh, that's so hot.
That's right. Come on. Oh, put it there now. Careful.
That's hot.
Sandro. Okay. That's enough.
I'm doing yellow.
Siyempre. Oh, nako. Dali. Dali. One pa. 21 pa. 21. One only. Careful. Holly. Holly. Holly.
Wait! Alex! No! She put something. That's the chicken.
Come on. Holly. Dayan mo si Sam. Okay. Ano si Jun? Wala lang. Tapos na. Ole. Ole, papa. Papa na. Ole, papa. Ole, wait. One.
Yes, she. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes.
Hi everyone. Hello.
We are in the Philippines.
We're in the Philippines.
No, this is Philippine now.
Yeah.
I'm in
So,
Philippine
Punta na
Airlines.
kami ng Manila.
Inform you that
Holy.
due to operational changes, we shall be boarding at Terminal 2 in Manila. Please approach and be for ground person for assistance. Thank you.
When you say,
Holly!
hi, hi. She just touched the Mom, put this down.
No, 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 no. Later. Uh-oh.
Then you hold it.
Paalis na kami ng Bicol, papuntang Manila. Then,
Pico.
mag-stay kayo for 3 nights sa Manila. Then, fly back na kami sa Australia. Ano na yung asawa ko.
Good morning, guys.
Good afternoon, guys.
We're going to Manila.
We're going to Manila. Yes.
We have a
Three-
sleepover.
Yeah, we're gonna have 3 sleepover and then we're going to
Melbourne.
Melbourne, Australia. Yeah. Mamimiss namin ang family. Okay, baba. Yung dalawa, behave naman sila. At saka si Holly, ang likod. Ma, do you wanna join Kuya? Ma? Not yet. Sorry. No yelling, please. She's alright, but she's a baby. Hey, Holly, we're here in Manila now, Holly.
Hurry up. No. Hurry up.
TJ, Zachary, wait for us. Thank you po. Maaasahan na. Okay, wait for Kuya. Just follow. Kuya. Australian po. Stop. That's alright. It's alright, that black. Say hi to sister. Say hello. Say hello, sister. Bye. Buti na lang meron ditong mga taong tutulong sa iyo. Zachary. Laking bagay sila. Sa mga tulad ko na nag-iisa lang nagtatrabaho ng may 3 anak. Yeah, hold each other. Hi, Holly! We're here in Manila now, Holly. Stay here. Hinihintay na lang namin yung magsusundo sa amin. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Is it fun? I don't think it's fun.
Kambal ba sila mo?
Hindi. Hindi sila kamba. Para lang kasi yung damit. Oo, ganun ba? Mas matangkad si Kuya. Tinatanong sa kamba sila. It's alright. Bumudo kasi. Inano niya.
Tinanggal niya ilang mo.
Saya na si Holly. Nagdadot siya. Oh, wow. Saw, suka na, Holly. Saw. Marunong siya kuya. Saw, suka. Mahulit. Saya. Si mama nagturo sa iya. May tabahong traffic.
Traffic sa ano po, sa Aguian.
Aguian ka? Ano oras ka na galing? Pagulo, kumalat ka nga. Malat ko.
Ano? Alas 3.
Iyo.
Nagapit pa akong hospital kay Diba.
Iyo, hinatod mo pa siya? No yelling. We're in Manila now. How many sleep before we go to Melbourne?
3.
3 nights, yes.
Oh no, 3 sleeps.
3 sleeps and then...
No, you said 2.
No, 3 and then we're back
No,
to
you
Australia.
said. We don't have a lot of sleep elsewhere.
Saw, suka. Dili na. Saw, suka. Mahuli.
Mommy,
Daya.
look at Jollibee. Wow. I want to go to Jollibee and eat some. Can we do that?
What do you want to order? Wow. What's that, Papa? Dito kami sa Japanese restaurant for dinner. Yes, Papa. Oh, where is it? Here. You want chopstick? Okay. Okay. Wow. You want iced tea, Kuya? Yes. Oh. You're gonna hit your head there, Baba. Come here. What's that? Is it a lion? Oh, big lion. Holly, come on here. Oh.